We're standing by for engine start. And we have liftoff of the 50 Progress vehicle atop a Soyuz rocket on time at 8:41 and 46 seconds a.m. Central Standard Time. First stage of the launch includes 4 strap-on boosters. The first phase, first stage, lasts for about 1 minute 58 seconds. Approaching 1 minute after launch, all continuing to go smoothly. Reports of parameters all being right in line. One minute 30 seconds into the launch, about 20 seconds left in stage 1. All continuing to go smoothly. Standing by for separation of the 4 strap-on boosters. The vehicle's now downrange about 118 kilometers.